Want to start swiping? Let's install Tinder on your iPhone in just few taps. First, find the App Store on your home page. Tap on it to open. Here at the search bar, type Tinder and search for it. Look for the official Tinder app. It should have the red flame logo. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here, you can see the Get button. Tap on it and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once you do it, the download will start instantly. It may take a few seconds to install. Once installed, tap Open to launch Tinder. Now you are ready to sign up or log in. If the app won't download, check your internet connection or your storage. What's the first thing you look for in a Tinder profile? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And that's it. Tinder is now installed on your iPhone. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.